Welcome to Module 2 of the Digital Transformation Foundation series. This video introduces the 4 pillars of digital transformation, a comprehensive framework for organizational reinvention in the digital age. This 14-part course is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI as part of the Digital Transformation Foundations program. Our learning objectives are to understand the 4 pillars, master the foundational dimensions, and learn how each pillar reshapes core functions. We will also recognize common failure patterns and gain frameworks to diagnose your organization's maturity. Digital transformation succeeds when organizations evolve across 4 interconnected dimensions. These pillars are customer experience, operational process, business model, and organizational and cultural transformation. Strengthening one pillar naturally reinforces the others. We begin with Pillar 1, Customer Experience Transformation. This pillar reshapes customer interactions by focusing on seamless, personalized experiences that adapt in real time. Key components include frictionless digital journeys, personalization at scale, real-time support, and predictive experiences. Customer experience has become a competitive imperative. Consumers compare every interaction against their best digital experiences. Companies that fail to transform customer experience risk irrelevance as customers migrate to superior digital interactions. Customer experience leaders like Starbucks use mobile ordering integrated with loyalty data. Delta Airlines uses real-time notifications, and Amazon drives 35% of total purchases through personalization. A common failure pattern is the digital facade trap. This is when companies digitize the front end, like a website, but ignore broken back-end processes, resulting in friction beyond the initial interaction. Next is Pillar 2, Operational Process Transformation. This pillar reinvents how work happens inside the organization, going beyond simple digitization. It involves intelligent automation, AI-assisted decisions, digital workflows, real-time visibility, and connected teams. Operational transformation delivers compounding benefits. Teams move faster, making better, data-driven decisions and eliminating waste. This results in organizations that are more agile, resilient, and capable of sustained innovation. Examples of operational excellence include UPS's real-time route optimization, Walmart's automated inventory replenishment, and the use of AI triage in healthcare for better resource allocation. A major failure pattern is digitizing broken processes, automating inefficiency instead of transformation. True operational transformation requires asking how the process would be designed today with modern technology. We now move to Pillar 3, Business Model Transformation. This is the most powerful pillar, addressing how value is created and captured. It involves shifting to platform-based and data-driven approaches. While operations deliver linear gains, business model transformation unlocks exponential growth potential. Key components include shifting from products to platforms, adopting subscription models for recurring revenue, monetizing data services, and building value through ecosystem partnerships. Business model transformation enables exponential scaling, creates predictable recurring revenue, and transforms data into a monetizable strategic asset, driving new services and revenue streams. Leaders in this area include Adobe, which moved from software to subscriptions, John Deere, which added data-driven services to equipment sales, and Peloton, combining hardware with subscription content. The biggest missed opportunity is modernizing operations and customer experience while maintaining the same fundamental business model. This results in incremental gains, while competitors with transformed models dominate. Finally, Pillar 4, Organizational and Cultural Transformation. This pillar is the foundation of sustainable change. It addresses the human dimension, mindsets, behaviors, and leadership. Technology fails without cultural readiness and structures that support agility and experimentation. Elements of cultural transformation include embedding a digital-first mindset, adopting agile structures, creating psychological safety, fostering data-driven leaders, supporting continuous upskilling, and maintaining customer obsession. Culture determines success, as approximately 70% of digital transformations fail due to culture, not technology. Strong digital cultures achieve a 5x speed advantage, but resistance remains high without cultural evolution. Cultural transformation exemplars include Spotify's squad model for rapid experimentation, Netflix's radical transparency and autonomy, and Amazon's 2 pizza teams for relentless customer focus. A common failure pattern is the trap of buying tools without changing behavior. New platforms fail when old hierarchies and decision-making processes persist. Transformation requires changing behaviors, not just purchasing software. The 4 pillars form an integrated system. Progress in one dimension enables and accelerates progress in others. Understanding these interdependencies is crucial for orchestrating a successful transformation. Customer experience drives demand for new models. Operational efficiency enables faster innovation. New business models require new cultural norms. Culture accelerates both operations and customer transformation. Transformation is a system. This visualization shows how each pillar reinforces the others. Improved customer experience generates data for operations, which frees up capacity for business model experimentation. Strong culture accelerates innovation across the board. Diagnosing your organization's current state across the 4 pillars provides a foundation for your strategic roadmap. Identify your strongest and weakest pillars, distinguish modernization from transformation, and identify high-impact opportunities. Use these assessment questions to facilitate honest discussions with your leadership team. Focus on identifying critical gaps, dependencies, and cultural barriers that are blocking progress. This maturity assessment matrix helps rate your organization across the 4 pillars, from initial to leading. Use it to identify focus areas and track progress over time. Your strategic roadmap should sequence initiatives across 4 stages: quick wins, foundation building, scaling impact, and continuous evolution. This approach allocates resources and defines success metrics over time. Use these questions for reflection. Where are pre-digital behaviors persisting? Which pillar is neglected? What customer friction points can be eliminated? And what cultural barriers are blocking progress today? Key takeaways include the requirement for systems thinking, as the pillars are interconnected. The business model transformation is the most powerful pillar, and culture determines the sustainability of change. Finally, assessment drives strategy. Your next steps are to conduct a pillar maturity assessment, identify your weakest pillar, and define high-impact initiatives. Build a roadmap that sequences quick wins and establishes metrics. Transformation is a continuous journey,